to me, Dwayne. I know my sister, and I know her well. And one thing I'm sure of is that your mother loves you. Now you say after me, in my mother's house, there is still God. In my mother's house, there is still God.
In my mother's house, there is still God.
There's some ideas we ain't gonna have in this house. Not as long as I'm still here.
You ain't done broke out up in here. What, I don't smell no smoke. Since you acting a fool, like a chicken with his head cut off. What is it now? What is it now?
Okay. You got what she's telling you about.
Lord have mercy, a man.
And I haven't seen this report card go to school this Wednesday. But the teacher sent a note home saying he's making all A's. That's how I know. Now when they find him, he'll bring it home. Now come on, let's go and serve him.